was posted on their website to give them some safety tips, and emergency numbers were also sent to them to cover the 4 states and the locations of our forward operating bases, with a directive that once it is 1700 hours, they should stop at the nearest military base. And they adhered to that, and we documented them, and we ensured that they got to their camp safely, and after the camp to their various PPAs. And I must also tell you that this year we've not had any incident of any missing corps member or kidnapped corps member. Also, the Operation Chase Lakura was out. Sometime last year they resurfaced, and the Defense Headquarters sent a Special Operations Brigade to operate in Tangaza, Gudu, Silami, areas of Sokoto State, and Agui and Arewa of Kebbi State. And I must also state categorically that we have been able to destroy all their camps in Sokoto and Kebbi State. They are a highly mobile terrorist group, but we have decimated them, and they keep crisscrossing between Nigeria and Niger. And we have also been partnering with the Nigerian forces to ensure that they do not have any freedom of action. Also is Operation Forest Sanity 3. That is our dry season operations across the 4 states. From the achievement listed, we have been able to make progress from what we did last year. And lastly is the Operation Secure Superhighway from Ilela to Badagry, to ensure that highway meets its target. We have a battalion deployed, again a joint force that includes all the security agencies, to ensure that the construction companies and their assets are properly protected. These achievements has also come with its downside. Some of our colleagues have paid the supreme price. We have lost some officers, we have lost some soldiers, we have lost equipment, and some are in the hospital recuperating from one form of injury or the other. The operation is not all kinetics. We also have our non-kinetics engagement spearheaded by the various state governments, and Operation Safe Corridor Northwest. And we have also started getting positive results. We've had stakeholders engagement with the Fulani community, the Hausa community, and some of the terrorist groups have shown their willingness to drop their arms. And a few weeks ago in Katsina State, we had some groups in Batsari and Jibia that surrendered some arms unconditionally, and also released some kidnapped victims. It's work in progress, and we are geared to ensure that we continue to put in our best to ensure that we successfully complete our mission.